What's up guys, this is my first video on my channel, my first official video.
In 2021, Joshua started his brand new YouTube channel, and like every other creator, or to say entrepreneurs with a good intention of making money from his YouTube channel from day one, he literally found himself uploading 2 videos per week, 80 months straight, non-stop, making $0 until this happened.
Last year was my first full year on YouTube, and in that 1 year, I made $613,960.75.
So what happened? What made him super successful on YouTube? Because you see, if you're a creator yourself, you soon realize that becoming successful on YouTube, it is really super hard. It takes much more determination, resilience, and even patience. Even Mr. Beast himself had to admit about this.
You know, it took me over a year to get my first 1,000 subscribers, like a year and a half. Took like almost a year to get the second 1,000, and the fact that I just gained 1,000 subscribers in like the last 11 days, and from 4K to 5K only took 12 days, and 3K to 4K only took 19 days. It's awesome.
And so through the combination of Joshua's strategies and my own research, you are going to discover what made him super successful and how he managed to make almost $1 million on his second year being on YouTube. And lesson number 1 is to make sure that you start as soon as possible. Start super early.
If you have a goal, if you have dreams, simply start. Like, don't wait until the perfect time, because the perfect time just doesn't exist. And you will go to your grave waiting for the perfect time, and you will never get it, because that doesn't exist. Because I keep waiting for the perfect time to start a YouTube channel, right? Like, I keep telling myself, well, maybe I should wait until I'm a millionaire, because if I'm a millionaire, then people would value my information more. They would believe me, they would trust me more. And then all those years that I'm waiting to become a millionaire, I could have been started a YouTube channel, and who knows how many lives I could have impacted during that time. And so there's no point in waiting, and if I'm waiting for the perfect time, then I'll be waiting forever, because that time doesn't exist. That's why I'm starting this channel, is because I just need to put myself out there.
And the story of Joshua resonates with mine, and I can still remember vividly back in 2018, I was still in college, and I had this friend of mine whom had earned my respect. And whatever that he would say, I would simply agree with him, because he was coming from a rich family. I highly respected him because of the social status they had and the influence he had on my life, because he was my childhood friend. Okay, so one day I approached him trying to get some advice from him about doing YouTube, and the answer that he gave me paralyzed the motivation that I had about doing YouTube. You know what he said? He said, money is everywhere. Money is everywhere. And you already know what happened next, right? I never did YouTube from 2018 until 2022, when I was fired from my job. From there, I remember that I had a YouTube channel, and I cannot imagine how much hundreds, if not thousands of dollars I have lost for not starting early on YouTube. So make sure that you start to execute your ideas as soon as possible, not only on YouTube but in any other career. Be like Nike company with their slogan, just do it. Number 2, make sure that you thrive on creating engaging videos that people will enjoy watching for long, because by doing that, YouTube is going to reward you dearly.
YouTube wants to satisfy the viewer when they visit the website, and the viewer is satisfied when they're watching videos that meet their interest and keep them engaged. And so this means that YouTube wants to very carefully serve specific content to the viewer that they think the viewer will enjoy. And so if you, as the creator, can make content that the viewer will enjoy, then you are aligning with YouTube's business goals. As a result of this, YouTube will push your content far and wide, and you'll end up getting more views, more subscribers, and making more money than you ever dreamed was even possible. But if you're not making content that viewers enjoy watching, then you are not aligning with YouTube's business goals. As a result of that, YouTube will not push your content.
Number 3, you have to master how the YouTube platform works. Now, mastering how the YouTube platform works can be categorized into 3. 1, which is making great clickable thumbnails. 2 is having intriguing video title that evokes emotion. And number 3 is to keep your viewers engaged as much as possible. To create a great thumbnail, I use a free website called Canva. To come up with a great and intriguing video title that evokes emotion, I use a free tool called the AMI Video Analyzer. And when you are going to use it, make sure that you aim to score from 35% upwards. All the links will be in the description of the video down below. Now, to create an engaging video, try to include a story when you are presenting your message. This is so important, this is so crucial, because telling stories amplifies the value of your message on your videos. And psychologically speaking, we as humans, when a story has been presented, we tend to follow through, to follow along until to the very end of the story to find out how the story ends. And therefore, this will result into long watch time hours, something that we all know that the YouTube algorithm loves. Another way to create an engaging video, try to incorporate something called the pattern interruption. You probably have seen me in my videos, including this one, sometimes clapping my hands and sometimes changing the angle of my camera. I'm doing all of these stuff to make sure that my viewer is engaged and is not falling into coma, or to say slumbering. How can I call it? Comment down below. Number 4, you have got to make tiny improvements every single time you make a new YouTube video.
Try to make one small minor improvement to that area, and what ends up happening is over time, little by little, you start improving 5%, 10%, 15%. After 100 videos, you've improved theoretically 100% if you're actually trying to, make the small 1% improvements with every video. You'll go back and watch your first videos and be blown away by how much you improved.
This is so true, especially to those who are new on making YouTube videos, because you see, there is a lot that goes into making a single YouTube video. There is scripting, video recording, video editing, there is storytelling, thumbnail design, video title generation, learning how to talk to a camera like this. There is search engine optimization. I mean, there is so much more that goes into making a single YouTube video. Hey, do not be frustrated. I want you to put all of these stuffs away and only focus on making tiny improvements with every new single video that you are going to be making. Now to the last part that we have been waiting for long. How did Joshua manage to make almost a $1 million, especially on his second year being on YouTube? And how you can leverage the platform and actually make money from YouTube. Let's see what Joshua is telling us.
So let's start off right away with doing an income breakdown to show you exactly how I made this money. So my income on YouTube last year was broken down into 3 major categories: ads, sponsors, and affiliates. And so last year for sponsorship income, I made a total of $105,234.59. Next is affiliate income from affiliate marketing, which was my second largest income source. But last year with affiliate marketing, I earned $146,141.21. And again, this may come as a complete surprise that was only my second largest source of income. And the best part is that it was mostly all passive. And finally, let's talk about my largest source of income, which was YouTube ads. In total last year for YouTube ads, I made $362,584.88.
That is fantastic. Now, here's the thing. One thing that I've been radiated with in the couple of past 2 years, I think, is something called affiliate marketing. Affiliate marketing is one of the ways you can make money by promoting brands, services, and products online. This is how it works. You register on the affiliate programs. For example, there is one called Digital Info and Offer Like. When you register, they give you a link of a particular product, of which when you go ahead and share that link to other people, you are going to earn some bit of money by promoting that particular product. So by doing that, you are going to make money whenever any person buys that particular product from the link that you served them, from the link that you provided those individuals. There is a video that I have made explaining about the best affiliate marketing programs which pays best in the industry. So feel free to watch that video on my playlist But we are not done yet. There is one last fundamental strategy that made Joshua to have that level of success you have seen on YouTube. It's a very simple strategy, and I bet you have heard about it a dozen times. And that is, don't give up.
The biggest thing that you need to do is simply not give up. So many people start a YouTube channel, start posting, they're being consistent, they're being intentional about getting 1% better with every video. But then they stop posting, they just stop. And little do they know that they were only 2 videos away from having their first video ever go viral, which would have completely changed their life forever. This is exactly what happened to me. I was posting consistently, my channel wasn't getting any traction, I was frustrated, and I was this close to quitting. And I posted 2 more videos, and the second video that I posted after almost giving up was the video that ended up going viral, completely catapulted my channel, and changed my life forever. It's scary to think about how different my life would look today if I had quit YouTube back then, but I didn't.
So there you have it all. And if you want to be inspired, there is a video of a 58 years old YouTuber. She's a woman. You can go and watch how she easily managed to monetize her YouTube channel in the couple of 10 weeks only. You can be inspired by, you can be inspired, you can be inspired, oh my, you can be inspired by a story on how she managed to, monetize her YouTube channel in the couple of 10 weeks only. So make sure you go and watch that video as well, and make sure that you drop a like, subscribe if you are new to the channel. I'm making videos about how to make money on YouTube, and sometimes I'm giving a backstory of other successful YouTubers. Hey, never give up. Take care, and remember, you have got this. Peace.
Action! Isack! Action! Stop.